right from the opposite the Candolim Church, Confraria Church up to the bridge, Nerul Bridge. वो बांध तो इतली वर्षा कोसळलो, it had given way, and both sides जो आधी बंधारा असलो तो मोडून पडलेलो. आम्ही फर्स्ट फेजीन कंप्लीट बांध 5 crores बांधून घेतलेलो, आणि ते सायडीन फ्रॉम ब्रिज अप टू शिंकेरीम अनदर 4.5 crores वो कंप्लीट जाल्लो. आता आम्ही भितरल्यान बांध वो बंधारा जो आहा वो आख्खो रिपेर करता, फुल रिकन्स्ट्रक्टिंग, and we are beautifying whatever space we get in the middle. Over there we are getting more than 6 meters. Over here there is huge space, and we are beautifying this entire space belonging to Comunidad of Candolim, and government will beautify it and hand it over to Panchayat. So Panchayat has to maintain this place into a garden, into children's play area. Elderly people walk of nearly 2 kilometers they will get to walk. We will put footpath touching the Bandh right from Shikerim till opposite the church, that is in Candolim Orda side. So all this work, including benches, around 4 places we are going to give fishing zones, so that ramp will go out nearly 5 meters in the water, and it will be suspended, stilt घालून तेका सारखे आम्ही concrete घालून with barricading on top, so people can go and fish. It will be 4 meters in wide with accelerator. So ये असले हिंगासर 4 घालतले for the youth, boys and girls of Candolim village and Sinkerim and all this other area. We are putting up a ramp over here so they can conduct kayaking, a business. So self-employment business can be created over here by doing kayaking from this point of under the bridge. So tourists can come, get down on the main road. There is ample parking space beyond the road, and tourists can come down from the counter. They buy their tickets and come into kayaking over here. So that facility we will create for the villagers, the boys and girls, unemployed boys and girls who want to start business of kayaking over here. Around 8 to 9 stalls can come up where they can sell their homemade products, including food items, including handicrafts, including whatever they want, what tourist wants. Now we have seen cashew nuts are being sold by shops which have come up in Goa, doesn't belong to Goan. So cashew nuts is our product, so it should be sold by our local Goans. So in these stalls they can sell all these products, kokum syrup, cashew nuts, bhindnichi swala, pack karun. Tourists want to take away something from Goa. And what is the meaning of something from Goa? These are all the products which are Goan made, like bibinka, dodol. These are food items. Some are handicraft, some are bottled products, some are packed products like cashew nuts and others. So all those things can be sold in small stalls which will be creating over here for the locals, and locals can take it up, and it can be a beautiful place over here. It will be called a Candolim Mangrove walk. So you come to Candolim village and a walk in between the mangroves, right from Orda up to Shinkerim. We have not even touched one mangrove tree. They are all being preserved. There are beautiful birds sitting on them. Nests are there. There are some crocodiles also you will see along the river, where you will be on an elevated place, so they will not come up. So all this nature walk of 2 kilometers is possible from Shinkerim to Orda. It is going to be a tourist attraction. It is not only on the beach. Candolim or Kalangut constituency will not only provide beach destination, we are talking backwater destination. So this is going to be the backwaters of the entire area. Work in progress is going on. We have come here to see the work विच इज गोईंग ऑन इन फुल स्पीड. हे 4 कोटीचे काम जे आता हा हे बंधारा बांदप आणि ब्युटिफिकेशन करप, गार्डन करप. उरलेले थोडे पयशे अंडर CSR एक्टिविटी आम्ही स्टॉल्स घालून घेतले. एक 10 स्टॉलां बरी बांदून सारखी नॅचरली गोवन स्टॉल्स बांदून आम्ही आमच्या लोकलांक दितले. कायाकिंग लोकलांनी आपले पयशे मोडून कायाक शिकते हाडपाचे आणि तेणी कायाकिंग करपाचें हिंगासर. आणि नेचर वॉक एक नॉमिनल चार्जीस आसतले ट्युरिस्टांक. देर विल बी अ गेट ऑन टॉप. दे विल हॅव टू पे नॉमिनल चार्जीस अँड कम डाऊन अँड डू नेचर्स वॉक विच विल बी very nominal, like the panchayat will charge 50 rupees, 100 rupees per person, because huge area of 2 kilometers has to be maintained, and panchayat cannot go on spending their taxpayers money to maintain a stretch of 2 kilometers with a width of 6 meters. Some places are with a width of around 40 meters. हे सगळे मेंटेन करपाक गार्डन, क्लीननेस, स्वीपिंग, लॅम्प्स जे आसतले आमकां WRD डिपार्टमेंट लॅम्प्स घालून दिता आख्खे एरियेक. ते लॅम्प्साचे बल्ब मेंटेन करपाक, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तेका बिल आसतले ते पंचायतीन फारीक करचे पडटले. हे सगळे मेंटेन करपाक एक नॉमिनल चार्जीस 100 रुपीज चार्ज करची गरज आसतली फॉर ट्युरिस्ट. आमचे लोकल कांदोली विलेजीचे लोकल ऑर हिंगासरले तांकां फ्री आसतले. सो इट विल बी अ नेचर्स वॉक वेर आमकां आमच्या आयज भुरग्यांक धाकटे भुरग्यांक खबरूच ना वॉट इज अ मॅनग्रोव्ह. And all those different varieties of birds which are coming, migratory birds come over here. They nest, they sit in the river. So they can come and see all these things. These are very important things which the small kids, school going children also, once this is ready, they will come here to see the nature's walk of nearly 2 kilometers. We will also give these spaces for picnic spots on chargeable basis.
लोकांनी विरोध केलाय.
नेरुल रिव्हर म्हणटा आमी, शिंकेरीम रिव्हर, नेरुल रिव्हर. हे म्हाका दिसता लोकांक सजमोवपाची गरज आहा. एका ड्रेजिंग म्हणना, एका डिसिल्टिंग म्हणटा. जो चिकोल हिंगा येवन पडलेलो आहा, जो डेब्रीज इवन ब्रिजाचे सकला पडलेलो आहा, हे सगळे डिसिल्ट करपाची गरज आहा. हे सगळे काडपाची गरज. आणि आधी जेन्ना आमचो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट नासलो, खुबशे बाटल्यो हाडून लोकांनी उडयल्ल्यो आहा. जे आमकां नाका बाटल्यो आनी कितें कितें बॅगांनी व्हडलेले साकांनी घालून भितर उडयल्ल्यो आहा. हे सगळे काडपाक जाय. सो डिसिल्टिंग करतना एका तिसऱ्यांक आनी कितें ते मार बसना. आनी आय विल टॉक टू केदार एंड द पंचायत ऑफ नेरुल. टेक देम इन कॉन्फिडन्स, ब्रिंग द WRD ऑफिसर्स, हॅव अ मीटिंग इन द पंचायत, ब्रिंग कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स अँड then back again revive that old estimate of house of desilting. Same विरोध आमकां साऊथ गोवान जाल्लो जेन्ना हांव मिनिस्टर आसलो COPचो. We were desilting the Sal river.